Hey guys, it's your girl Nellis Gordon, ecomcashqueen.com, and you have stopped by this video because you want to know how to sell online courses. I'm also going to be giving you guys my Podia review. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so today we're going to be talking about Podia and how you can use Podia to sell your online courses. Before we get started, let's deal with just a little bit of house business. If you haven't subscribed or liked my channel yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. If you want to know when my new uploads are coming, be sure to hit the bell. I'm going to be linking Podia below so that you can give them a try. They have a very generous free trial and a great pricing plan, so I'll link that below. Also, if you're looking for a community where you can learn e-commerce and other out-of-the-box ways to earn income online, I'll also be linking my very new membership site, the Profit Freedom Tribe, below as well, so that you can become a Freedom Triber. Okay guys, so let's get into it. So Podia is a platform where you can sell online courses, memberships, as well as digital downloads. What I love about the product is it's very straightforward and user friendly. It's also very pretty for the girls out there. It's really nice looking as well, guys. Okay, so this is the way that the home page looks, and it shows you exactly how straightforward and easy it is to use Podia. They also have a live demo that you can register for as well. There are over 11,000 creators on the platform, and the plans just start at $39 a month. What I absolutely love about the platform, guys, is that there are absolutely no transaction fees and unlimited pretty much everything. Okay, so I'm actually going to show you the way that my Podia looks. If you don't know, I'm an e-commerce coach and marketing strategist alongside of speaking and writing. So I have a nice coaching vault that I have set up through Podia so that when my customers want to purchase my products, they can go to my course vault and very easily purchase something from me, as well as set up payment plans. So let's go on over to my coaching vault, guys. If you want to take a look at it, it's www.ecombizcoach.info. You have to use the www in order to get there. So what I love about Podia is it's very beautiful. It's great for men. It's great for women. You can customize this with whatever color you like. I customize it with a great color great for conversions, which is blue. It's also my favorite color. It has my face up here and I'm in the background. I'm talking about myself and who I am and how I can help my potential clients. I have all of my social media icons linked here. So this is available for you to set up with your plan in Podia. So once you start your free trial, you can actually set up something very similar or whatever you want inside of here. So these are some of my courses. As you can see, they're listed very nicely. I have designed these little thumbnails, guys, for each course, but it's very nice setup. As you can see, kind of gives a little snippet of what the courses are about, and you can also click inside. At the bottom here, it gives the option for someone to get on my email list. I use ConvertKit, so Podia converts well with ConvertKit, as well as other email marketing systems as well. So if someone wants to get right on my list to get updates, they can do so at the bottom of my page. So let's go inside of one of the things that I offer so you guys can see what that looks like. So I'm going to click View Course. This is my Canva Creation Workshop course. So at the top, you can see it's a really nice, bright blue banner, and the price that the person can buy it from. It integrates directly with Stripe and PayPal so that your customers have two options for paying for your course. As you go down, you're going to see the overview, the exact steps, what you'll get, and you can see what students are saying about the class. Okay, and it also tells my potential students what's included. So in this specific course, I'm including 1 video, 2 files, and 2 text files. It shows what the contents are. You can even allow them to have access, for free if you want them to get like just the welcome or something like that, maybe a welcome video. And then it gives you the option to actually put in your FAQs, your facts about the class. It also gives you an option to put in a video if you would like to talk about what you're selling over video. It also gives you that option. I'm just not using it here. So if you're wanting to know, guys, how do I create these courses? Really, most people who want to create a course already have their course idea in stone. Like, you already know your craft, you know what you want to teach. You just need a place to host your course so that people can buy from you, right? So the steps to create your own online course is to have your content outlined, know what you're going to talk about, record the videos. You can either record the videos, guys, in short 5-minute videos, because many people have short attention spans. I'm guilty of that. Or you can record a long workshop or webinar size video, which is like for 60 minutes. Might be harder for your students, but it just depends on who your audience is and what their learning style is. It's also good to include attachments that people can actually read, guides to go along with your online course, because that's also going to be great for people who have different types of learning styles. So now that you have all that information together, all you need is a platform like Podia where you can come and upload your course and your course information. And now you can give your students links to your vault or links directly into your course so that they can buy it. So let's take a look at the inside, guys, before I go, because I know that you want to see what it looks like from the inside. So inside of Podia, here we go. It greets me. It tells me how many sales I've gotten recently, as well as it's going to allow me to view my dashboard to see what I've done so far this month. It's going to, this is my editor where I'm going to be able to edit, and I'm going to show you. This is where you're going to be able to edit your storefront. You can add different sections to your storefront as well. What I love about Podia, guys, is that they're adding new things all the time. This is literally on the fly that I'm doing this for you to show you how to use it. Since I've been using it, this wasn't here. So it's something new that they have. These are different things that you can add in here onto your homepage if you want to. You can add different sections. Let me close that back up. You can add a new section. And these are different things. Like if you want on your home page a welcome video at the top, you can add that. You can add video with text. You can pop testimonials in here, which is really, really cool if that's something that you want to add. And I love that, which I'm going to be coming in here and updating this. You can show what people are saying about your business, which I really, really love. So Podia is actually functioning, more like a website. And I'm going to be actually updating this today, guys. So these are the different sections that you can add. Just some rich text. You can add image with text, video with text, as well as testimonials. So I'll probably be popping a video in here to welcome people into my vault, talk about what I'm about. I'll probably put some testimonials in here from some of my clients and students. And these are some things that I'm going to add to my page. As of now, I don't have those things because these are actually new features that Podia has since I've joined. So let's look at what else Podia has to offer. You can put your storefront name in here, which you saw come up on the top of my Podia site. You also can tell people who you are. Those were the words that you saw that kind of came over my face with the Podia site. And then the where, you're letting people know where they can connect with you. Those were the icons that you saw across my Podia site. So they're giving you the option to show your bio, to capture leads, and you can hook up your lead application through the settings, and also whether or not you want to feature memberships, because Podia also gives the option for you to have a membership as well, monthly membership, which I love. So these are all the different options. Under here is where you're going to add your different products that you're going to be selling. You're just going to click new product and you're going to be able to walk through adding those products. If you have a membership, you'll be able to set that up. You'll be able to send emails directly to your customers if you want to, and you can also view your customers in settings. It is very straightforward. It's very easy to use. And the bonus, guys, if you really want to also have an affiliate program, your own affiliate program, you can also do so on one of the higher plans through Podia. So just to kind of look at, and so that I can show you guys, let me see. Let's take a look at the pricing as well, so that you can kind of see. They have the mover plan and they have the shaker plan. Okay. They're very straightforward. No fees are going to be taken from you. Everything is unlimited. So awesome. So it's $39 a month, and you can also get on the annual plan, which is great. You're getting online courses, digital downloads, email marketing, no transaction fees, 24/7 support. You're also getting the $79 a month. If you want to get on that plan, you're getting the affiliate marketing, access to have your membership here, as well as free migration. So if you are on another platform for your courses, they will migrate you for free for only $79 a month, guys. Me personally, I started out with the $79 a month plan, but I decided to move my membership piece somewhere else and to shut down my affiliate program. So now I'm on the $39 a month plan. So I hope that this has helped you. Guys, if you have any question about starting your own course, or you have any questions about Podia, be sure to drop your questions below in the comments, and I'll be sure to help you with those. Also, don't forget, the link is in the description box to connect with me, to give Podia a try, and also to become a Freedom Triber as well. So I'll put all those links down in the description box. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.